Hi, I'm Glenn Slade, founder and CEO of BigSis. We're here in our strawberry field in Kent conducting our spotted wing drosophila control trial, and this is our second update for this trial. As you can see, the strawberry plants have grown taller and they are now at different stages of ripeness. So as well as the greener or whiter strawberries, there are these juicy red ones ready for harvesting, and harvesting's been underway for 2 or 3 weeks now on this site. Now this progressive ripening that you get with strawberries and so many other soft fruit is what makes them difficult to control with chemicals, because to spray this white one and protect it from insects, you're also having insecticide land on the ripe one that's ready for harvesting, and that doesn't meet minimum residue limits and pre-harvest intervals. So we need a good sustainable solution which the sterile insect technique provides. It's a natural solution using non-GMO SWD that are sterile. They only mate with SWD, they don't affect any other species, beneficial insects, which are used here a lot, pollinators as well. So it's the right way to control SWD, and we're showing for the first time on a field of this scale that it can be done. Now we've been releasing our sterile males since mid-April, which is well ahead of the SWD population picking up. At this time we haven't seen a significant increase in the number of wild SWD, but of course we wouldn't expect that. We'd expect the first ones that overwinter to be laying their eggs in fruit now, and those trying to complete the cycle in the fruit as they ripen before they're harvested. And what we want to do by releasing these sterile males is making sure that for every female wild SWD that comes out, they are far more likely to meet a sterile male, therefore they are likely to not have any children, offspring, and therefore we control the population and we never need chemical insecticides. So let's do this week's release, and what you'll see here, if you've watched the previous ones where they tended to fall off onto the leaves, now that the weather's a bit milder, as the flies come out they straight away fly off to go and do their job of hunting out the wild females, and as I say, once they mate with those they will not have any offspring. So while we've got this period before the big uptick in SWD populations, we're also taking advantage of that to make measurements about the longevity of our sterile male flies, which is great for weekly releases. And at the moment we're also looking at dispersal, so how they disperse along tunnels, between tunnels, and between the tunnels and the boundary, or the boundary and the tunnels. And that'll give us more and more information as time goes on about how to optimize our commercial program for releases. What's the distance between releases, as well as the timing. So that's it for this update. I think in a month's time, July, we'll be starting to see an uptick in the wild SWD population, a significant move upwards, although the real large peak would be expected at the end of August. So I'll be keeping you posted, and until next time, take care. Bye for now.